What's up, Rockets? I'm Monet Surigao.
And I'm Tamarian Gibson.
And this is J-Rocket TV. Our top story on September 28th, Hurricane Ian made landfall in Florida.
The Category 4 storm wreaked havoc on the state of Florida with high winds, heavy flooding, and storm surges. Entire neighborhoods were destroyed, and boats and mobile homes were spread out over miles.
As of the writing of this broadcast, there are over 100 confirmed fatalities and thousands were left without power for days. Ian moved past Florida and up the coast where it hit South Carolina on September 30th as a Category 1 storm.
In Texas news, Toyota has expanded their plant on the south side of San Antonio. The $391 million upgrade to its assembly will allow for the mass production of their new 2023 hybrid Sequoia, as well as the Tundra truck.
The plant, which has the capacity to produce 200,000 vehicles a day, will exclusively make the Tundra truck, and Sequoia, which replaced the smaller Tacoma pickup line, made at the site before its production was moved earlier this year to Mexico.
In tech news, have you ever faced the existential dread of planet Earth being destroyed by an asteroid? Well, to alleviate some of that dread, NASA has been developing a way to deter this threat.
After 10 months of flying through space, on September 26, NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, was able to successfully redirect the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos, a small body just 530 feet in diameter. It orbits a larger 2,560-foot asteroid called Didymos. Neither asteroid poses a threat to Earth.
The mission's one-way trip confirmed NASA can successfully navigate a spacecraft to intentionally collide with the asteroid to deflect it, a technique known as kinetic impact. And now for this week's Word on the Street, here's Monet and Devin.
Oh, that's okay. That's me.
Hey Monet, what's the word on the street?
If your house was burning down, what's one thing you would bring with you?
Nothing. I'm running out of there. That's it.
Nothing? Not your dog? No.
Nah, I'm running.
Alright.
Probably my PlayStation.
Probably my fish. Yeah.
My lashes.
My pets. I have 3 dogs and 1 bunny.
I would take my dog because that's my bestie.
My phone.
Your phone?
I thought I was your bestie.
Probably like the water bottle.
My dog. Forget everything else. My dog. My controller. I don't know. Something like that.
Probably my dog.
Okay, I would save my money because I keep a collection of my money in my room, so I'll do that because you can just easily buy something else.
Probably some snacks.
My dog.
I would take my family because I really wouldn't want them to die in there.
I don't care about my family.
With you?
My cat.
I'm saving all of my dogs. I'm putting them all on my shoulders. They all big, 3 Great Danes. Get carry them all. Saving all my family, all my loved ones, nobody dying.
If your house was burning down, what's one thing you would bring with you?
A photo album of my family.
I don't care about my family.
Nice.
My wallet. I'm grabbing my dog because I'm not basic like the rest of y'all. I care about life.
I'm taking my pillow.
My boy bestie.
You taking your pillow?
Yeah.
Bye.
I'll flamethrower it and make it better.
Chicken sandwich.
Recently, Ms. Carter was hired as the new principal of Judson Middle School, ending a 5-year run at Judson High School as assistant principal.
Miss Carter was given a send-off along with her kids.
We at J-Rocket TV and Judson High School would like to take a moment to thank Ms. Carter for all of her years of service here and wish her good luck at Judson Middle School. Well, that's about all the time we have for this week, Rockets. I'm Monet Surigao.
And I'm Tamarian Gibson.
And this has been J-Rocket TV. To see more of our broadcasts and other content, make sure to subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/JRocketTV.
So, homecoming?
No.
Oh, okay.